Welcome to The Explainer. Today, let's break down a smarter approach to disaster recovery. It's a question every online business faces. What's the real cost of those little hiccups?
See, it's not the big one-time crash. It's that slow, silent bleed of resources and trust. All this leads to constant firefighting, which burns out your team and frustrates your customers.
So instead of just patching things, the idea is to build a system where outages barely happen.
And that's a huge shift, right? We're moving from reacting to problems to designing for resilience.
The best part? You can get incredible uptime without completely blowing up your budget.
Okay, so how do you actually do this? It boils down to a simple two-part strategy.
First, you create a perfect copy of everything. Second, you automate the switch if things go wrong.
This means your backup is an exact mirror of your main setup, always ready to go.
This is the magic. The system automatically handles syncing all the data and redirecting traffic.
But look, having a plan is one thing. How do you know it'll actually work?
You test it with something called chaos testing. Yeah, you intentionally tried to break things.
Honestly, this whole approach is a totally different way of thinking compared to the old methods.
And this comparison says it all. It's the difference between waiting for failure and engineering success.
So what does this all mean for the business? Let's get into the hard numbers.
First up, they hit near perfect availability. I mean, the platform is just always on.
When an outage was tested, the entire system switched over automatically in under a minute. And get this, because of the real-time sync, there was absolutely zero data loss. That's huge.
It also slashed the manual effort for the tech team during a recovery by a massive 90%.
This isn't just about cool tech. It's about protecting revenue and freeing up your team to innovate.
Which leaves us with one final thought. If you stop firefighting, what could you start building?